What up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna take out the system out of the Denali. That way we can lay out all the equipment we have that's gonna go in the hoopty. Let's get it. All right, so what we're gonna be taking out is all the cable, all the zero gauge that we got going on right here. Everything for the amp, for the big three. You know what I'm saying? We got fuses right here, one over here, and then what we got in the back. Got a little speaker wire right here. Nothing crazy. This is what we got right now. We got an LC2I, Epic 750, an epicenter. Just your basic wiring, nothing crazy. Simple. But all of this will come out, and all of this is gonna go in the hoopty. All right, so we got the big three out, most of the cables out, fuses and everything from the engine bay. I just got the zero gauge that is running from here all the way to the back, but the zero gauge is running through the bottom of the frame all the way to the back over here, from the bottom coming up right here into this. All right, guys, we got everything out, all the zero gauge, bunch of wire right here, the RCA's out here. Now the equipment that we're gonna use, this is gonna be my little amp rack that I'm gonna set up. I might order an Epic 4 channel for the component speakers. That's pretty much it for right now. All right, well, that's it for this video. We'll keep you updated for the next thing that's coming, and make sure you like, subscribe. On to the next.